Ashwini Kumar. I am Executive Director, Corporation Bank. As you are aware, Corporation Bank is one of the oldest banks of the country. It was established in 1906 in Udupi, and with a very small capital, and the first day's business was 5 rupees 38 annas. Since then, it has grown up to a bank with 1361 branches, a business of more than 2 lakh crores. The bank has been a pioneer in financial inclusion, and the first financial inclusion branch was opened in 2006. Today we have 2,500 Gramin Vikas Kendras, and to have urban financial inclusion in a big way, we have opened 4 branches for microfinance, one in Delhi, one in Bangalore, one in Chennai, and in Hyderabad this is the 4th branch. Microfinance branch would be catering to urban poor, mainly providing credit below 50,000 rupees to SLGs, JLJs, NGOs and MFIs who will be on lending to their members, and also for opening accounts and to include them into the main financial system. They are authorized to open accounts with zero balance and with minimum KYC requirement. A country has to have inclusive growth. We have to have all the population in the financial sector, formal financial sector. All the banks are moving in that direction, and Corporation Bank is taking lead in this endeavor. And in years to come, I think Corporation Bank would be able to commit to fulfill our commitment of financial inclusion. In fact, our founder had the vision of financial inclusion when he started the bank with the motto of Sarvo Janaya Sukhani Bhavantu, prosperity for all, and I wish prosperity for all will participate in a big